Right, next morning.
Well,
Next night.
what time are we on now?
Pretty
You
late.
started filming probably the same time yesterday.
Yeah. So, same
when I
time
bought
yesterday.
it. So yeah, 24 hours later.
We're only now towing it away.
It's lived in Tesco car park.
In that corner.
In that corner for 24 hours. It's going back to Lewis's unit where the guy bought it off. And we're going to fit a new turbo to it because I can't store it at my house. Well,
You definitely could store it at your house, but Tim would not be happy.
no.
I love that we're towing diagonally. This thing has towed a few things this week.
What else have we towed?
The Micra.
Micra.
Did we tow the Escort or not?
This towed my Micra back from Leeds when it blew up. It's towed the Escort. It's towed an MX-5. Looks strong enough, that.
Beat.
Beer eat. It's not going anywhere, that is it?
Anyway. This is gonna be fun. Right, I'll
If anything goes wrong, beat me. Why are you got your lights on?
I was winding the window down, but
Oh yeah, leave it. It's ridiculous.
fuck me! This is some small person steering. Like nothing. Made it in one piece.
I mean, we've only travelled probably about 100 metres.
That's the Micra we sold.
Good. Soundest Tesco security guard in the world.
Yeah.
We're going to find out what seal's gone now when we take this out. Or probably not.
My feet are off the fucking floor.
I think it's fine, it's too big.
It shouldn't be.
We've actually got space down here, everyone's gone.
Yeah, don't complain with the car.
Oh, look at that!
Midgets.
Just the bottom one.
The problem is, the whole thing's fucking turning. There you go.
Oh. I was right at the end, was I?
No. He just actually did it.
He had the right touch, you see what I mean? The whole thing.
Just knew what he was doing. Oh my god.
I slipped. I didn't drop it, I just slipped.
Yeah, the whole thing was spinning.
What's the paintwork?
Wake up next morning, fucking hell, they raised the prices.
1,700 quid for one pizza. I only ate 3 slices of it and fell asleep.
Fixed. Done. See you later.
Look how shiny it is.
Bye.
Is it pissing oil out or not?
A little bit, yeah.
It's leaking.
It's not coming from that bit that we're plugged in. It's coming from further up. You see where it's going? It's going there. It's going from the manifold. It's coming out the manifold.
Sorry, Paul.
That's cool. Head gasket gone.
Possibly.
Why have you given me this?
Sorry, Paul. Motion test.
What's that? What does it look like?
Possibly head gasket.
Fuck's sake.
Well, it was creamy under the oil cap.
Was it?
Slightly.
It's never been when I've had it.
And it's not like them to just go.
You know?
Maybe
Nah, not
that
really.
turbo's fine.
Maybe it is, yeah.
Spare. Crank.
Yeah. Oh! Well, that's a good sign, isn't it?
There's compression then.
There's compression in that cylinder.
Carry on.
But that shouldn't do that.
Shouldn't come out like that.
Nope.
Did that come out of the
Come
slope?
out here. Yeah, we need a jump pack on this battery.
You got one?
Two.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just go on your notes and put cylinder 1 at 175.
75.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, 175.
175, Freddie, get it in the notes.
Just like I predicted.
Good prediction, pal.
What's your prediction for cylinder 4?
Yeah, I don't know.
One.
Well, the engine's confused us now because we thought it was that one.
Yeah.
It's at least one compression.
That spark plug had coolant on it, so it doesn't fill me with confidence.
So it's all of them, and 175 is just not good.
It's all meant to make 2 cents.
25.
I think we may have found the cause.
That'll be it.
Is it cylinder 4?
It's cylinder 4, mate.
Crazy. Yo, cylinder 4, that's what happened with the micro.
Turbos and cylinder 4s.
Whoa. So what were you saying?
If you know it's head gasket, as long as the piston hasn't shit itself.
Which we don't know.
I can bring the endoscope home and we can poke its bumhole and see what it says.
That's a curb.
That's a fuck.